welcome to a new video. Today is a good one. We are excited. Let's get these things out of the way. This is a beast. This is a beast of a board. I mean, it's huge. It's a video card, I know, it's not a board. Let me just grab the box. So, we are mounting the motherboard right here. We have the Asus, as you can see here, B550 Plus with Aura and the Prime series. Of course, this is the Prime series. Let me move this out of the way so you can see. We have here the SATA, the M.2 drive. Let's see, where should we put it? I think we'll mount it over here, and yeah, let me just grab the screws that I need for that one. Of course, Asus never disappoints, and it delivered, although it has no shield. Let me just mount this bad boy up. So if you mount it like this, then we're gonna need, okay, let me just check it again. Now it's better for you to see. Okay, so we're gonna mount it over here, because first things first, we need an M.2 drive. We're not gonna run an SSD for the Windows. I'm also using Precision Wow Stick from Xiaomi. Okay, so this is solid. Okay, we'll get this out of the way. We have another one for the other port. For now, I'm gonna screw it right on the motherboard. Why? Usually because I don't want to lose it. So these type of screws are really small, as you can see over here, and I don't like to lose them. So just to be safe, we're gonna mount them on the motherboard. Okay. Okay, let's get that out of the way. Second, let's see, should we mount the RAM or the processor? I think we'll go with the RAM. These are, as you can see over here, if it will zoom, 16 gigs LP DDR4, 3200 megahertz, as you can see over here, made in Taiwan, from Corsair, of course. Focus up. Okay, let me just see how we can mount this. Okay, since these are okay, these are dual channel, so we're gonna mount them, of course, in dual channel. Okay, these are solid. So we have the RAM, we have the SSD over here, we have the SSD over here, as I mentioned. Next thing, well, we're gonna need the processor. Okay, so now we're gonna need the CPU. We don't want to touch anything, I just want to show you the CPU. So the CPU has a little arrow over here. I don't know if you can notice here, there's a little arrow, and also as you can see over here, there's a little arrow right here. Focus up. Okay, so that was easy. Everything seems to be good. Okay, next, of course, if you want, there are some sticker with Ryzen 7 for your case, but we're not going to use that. Next, because next up we're gonna need this bad boy. I'm gonna need to this already has applied thermal compound, so I'm not gonna put it anywhere I don't wanna have it. So first of all, I wanna see how I got this cable over here. First, you're gonna need your AMD, of course the CPU. You're gonna need to connect it later on. Okay, let me see, do I want it like this? Yes, with AMD on top. It already has thermal compound on it, so no worries about that one. But the LED, how do you connect the LEDs? Okay, so the LED, that's over there. Okay, let's get this out of the way first, of course. Of course, we're gonna need to plug this one in. Okay, one side is done. That's usually the easiest one.